Today I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If Chrome has switched to a dark look and you want to change it back to a light appearance, this quick tutorial will help you do it fast without any confusion. This is perfect for beginners, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click to open a new tab. You can do this from the plus icon at the top, and this will take you to the standard Chrome new tab page. On this page, look down toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see an option called Customize Chrome. Click on Customize Chrome, and this will open the personalization panel for Chrome's appearance settings. Inside this menu, you'll see different options for changing the look and feel of your browser. Look for the theme or appearance section, and then click on Light. As soon as you select Light, Chrome should switch away from dark mode and return to the lighter default style. If the change doesn't happen instantly, give it a second and then check the browser theme again. You can also close the panel after selecting Light, and your Chrome window should now display in light mode. That's really all there is to it. By using the Customize Chrome menu, you can quickly turn off dark mode and make Chrome easier to view if you prefer a brighter look. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.